Hello guys, welcome back to the channel Bank Nifty only. So let us do quickly the post market analysis and then proceed for the tomorrow's analysis. So yesterday I had clearly mentioned that there is a possibility of a sideways market between this particular zone, that is 39,500 to 200, if market sustains below this particular level, as uh, I was expecting. Also, I had predicted that market would open gap up, but let us see how market behaved today. So I was not expecting market to open with such a huge gap up. Okay, and we were expecting market to open gap up somewhere above this particular level, 39,400, or at least close to 39,500. But market opened with a huge gap, and around this particular level, 39,680 something odd, went up and then came down, and the rest of the days it went sideways. If you remember, yesterday also I had clearly mentioned in my analysis that when market makes such a breakout, okay, of a particular level, we saw this um, of 39,000 level, when we saw a short covering and a breakout of this particular level, then this was a very steep curve created by the market. So at such point of time, market takes a halt, or we can see a immediate, what we can see a downfall, but more chances are market going sideways. And this is what, after what we can say, hardly 15, yeah, hardly half an hour, market went on to a sideways. So this is uh, this what we can see in a 15 minutes time frame. So from learning point of view, I would show you a good example as well for price action. So stay tuned till the end, you will definitely get to learn. And please write into the comment section what you have got to learn as a new trader. So those who already know these concepts, it's well and good. Please share your knowledge with others as well, as I do try to share my knowledge, whatever I have. So this is what regarding the post market analysis. Now let us go with the analysis for tomorrow, that is 19th of October. One more point I wanted to show is, if you remember, I have shown you the chart of Dow Jones as well, where Indian market followed the US market as well. And we can see last couple of 2 to 3 days, US market is also in a very strong bullish movement. And what we can see that today market opened with a gap down, try fill the gap, and then it is in a downtrend in 15 minutes time frame. So keep this thing in mind. So what can be the possibility of our market as well? More of a downtrend with sideways market. Okay, this is one point. Now let us do the analysis on a candlestick chart in a day time frame. So we can clearly see that this is a very strong bullish movement, and after a very strong breakout, we can see a kind of a candle similar to doji, or we can say a spinning top. So what does a spinning top represent? It represent a reversal of a trend, that is, or we can say it can form an evening star pattern. Okay, so this is a green candle, this is a spinning top or a doji candle, and we can see tomorrow a bit red candle up to 39,500, or it may fill this particular gap as well. So those who don't know what is the meaning of doji candlestick pattern, please go to my videos. I have clearly explained what it states and how to do the analysis, because doji candle indicates the change of a trend or continuation of a trend. Okay, so here also we can see this is not a perfectly doji candle, because the wick at the bottom is more and at the top is very small. So this is what we can say is more similar to a doji candle. Now one more thing what I wanted to show, if I convert this uh, candlestick pattern to a Heiken Ashi chart. Okay, so this is a day time frame, and you can clearly see a very strong bullish momentum with large candles, and the wicks at the top are very small, which indicates that the buyers are strong at this particular level and the sellers are weak. So at 4000 level the sellers are present. That is why we can see this particular week. Now let us move on to 1 hour time frame. So I'm just reducing the time frame, and what you can understand or notice from this is you can see the trend was a perfect bullish trend. Okay, at this particular point 13.15 time frame we saw a doji candle. The next candle again a very thin doji candle, and then a, bearish candle. So what does a doji candle states? A continuation pattern might be, or a reversal trend. So this is how we can identify the change of a trend. So whenever a doji candle is formed at the top, we can make sure that there can be a small uh, anybody can call pullback, a small retracement, a downfall, or anything. So it indicates this particular thing. So this is on the 1 hour time frame. Now let me show you on 15 minutes time frame as well. Okay, so you can see on 15 minutes time frame as well. So this was it uh, regarding the trend or using Heiken Ashi. Now let us move on to our regular analysis and let us see the levels. So levels I have marked on the chart. You can see at the bottom we have 39,000, 39,500 as a strong support. We have a strong resistance of 40,000 level, and the support between this is increasing the zone. The support is from 39,200 to 400. So you can exactly identify this is the closing of the, or we can say the last candle. Next, what we saw, this level was acting as a resistance. When it was broken today, it started acting as a support. About just about to it, 39,600 is a good support level where market took the support and went up. So at this particular level 39,800 to 900 is a strong resistance zone, of which 39,900 is the strong level, strong resistance level, where you can see market took the resistance or faced the resistance at this two particular points. Now from price, okay, let me finish the analysis, then I will show you the price action learning. So how to take the trade based on market opening. So this particular zone is a no trade zone. I just forgot to mark, is between 39,600 to 800. Okay, do not enter into this zone. If market opens again gap up around above this particular level 39,900, then it may face resistance of 40,000 and come down. If this level is broken, then we can see market going to 40,200. Okay, if market opens gap down below this particular level 39,600, then there are two possibilities I have shown. Market may fill this pending gap, okay, and bounce back from this particular level, or it may take the support of 39,500 itself and then bounce back. Okay, so this is one thing. And as you can see, I have marked, yesterday I had predicted that market more possibilities of market opening gap up tomorrow, and we saw market open with a huge gap as well. So those who don't know the price action, it's nothing high, what we can say, complex or something. Basically the structure is market is forming the higher highs and higher lows. Okay, so here in a 15 minutes time frame you can clearly see when market made this low, the next low was at higher level, the next low was at higher level, next low was at higher level, next low was at higher level. Okay, so and so this is how the market progresses, by making higher highs and higher lows in an uptrend. And when it breaks the previous low, you can see this low was broken out or taken out by this particular candle. It made a new low. Okay, it made a new low, new high, new low, and this high was not taken out. Okay, it faced the resistance of this particular level and then it came down. So this was a small example of a price action from learning point of view. If you convert this chart into 5 minutes time frame, you would able to see clearly this price action pattern making higher highs and higher lows. Also, for more clear view, you can turn your chart into 1 minute time frame. So if you have any difficulties regarding this or any questions, please write into the comment section. I would definitely give an answer. Okay, now let me just take a quick look and see. Okay, I have just forgot to mention this particular zone as a no trading zone. Okay, so if market opens flat between this particular zone, do not enter into the zone, but you can enter into the trade when buy on dips. So if market opens flat and comes down, and if it makes a bullish candle, then you can buy. Okay, that is buy on dips, as market is already in a bullish what we can say trend. Next thing, if market opens flat and if it goes to this particular level 39,800 or 9, where we can see market has already taken the resistance, and if it makes a negative candle, then you can enter into a short trade. Okay, but do not hold long what I see, because we have a good support at the bottom. So I hope you like my analysis. Please share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel if not subscribed to get the daily analysis, and do not forget to hit the like button. Thank you.